The EUHOMY ice maker has become one of the most popular countertop appliances on Amazon in 2025, and for good reason. Priced at just $50, this compact ice maker delivers impressive performance, making it a favorite among homeowners, renters, and small business owners. Its sleek design and efficient ice production have made it a standout in a crowded market, offering an affordable solution for those who need ice on demand without the hassle of traditional ice trays or expensive built-in machines. One of the biggest selling points of the EUHOMY ice maker is its speed and convenience. This portable ice machine can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, with each batch ready in as little as 6 to 8 minutes. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a cold drink, or need ice for medical purposes, this appliance ensures a steady supply. The automatic shut-off feature and easy-to-use controls add to its user-friendly design, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Another reason for its popularity is its compact and portable size. Unlike bulky traditional ice makers, the EUHOMY model fits easily on countertops, in RVs, or even in small office spaces. Its lightweight build makes it easy to move around, and the removable ice basket simplifies serving and storage. The transparent lid allows users to monitor ice levels without opening the machine, reducing energy waste and maintaining efficiency. Despite its low price, the EUHOMY ice maker doesn't compromise on ice quality. It produces bullet-shaped ice cubes that are perfect for beverages, chilling food, or even use in coolers. The self-cleaning function helps maintain hygiene, and the machine operates quietly, making it suitable for use at any time of day without disturbance. Many users appreciate that it doesn't require a water line hookup, relying instead on a refillable water tank for easy operation. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Some users report that the ice maker struggles in extremely hot environments, slowing down production when ambient temperatures are high. Others note that the ice cubes tend to melt faster than those from commercial machines, so long-term storage requires a freezer. Additionally, while the machine is affordable, its plastic construction may not feel as durable as higher-end models, raising concerns about long-term reliability. Customer reviews highlight both the strengths and weaknesses of the EUHOMY ice maker. Positive feedback often mentions its affordability, fast ice production, and compact design, while critical reviews point out its limitations in hot weather and the need for frequent refills due to the small water reservoir. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus is that this ice maker delivers excellent value for its price, making it a smart buy for budget-conscious shoppers in 2025.